In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or looking to optimize your networking efforts, having an up-to-date contact list is essential, so let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of LinkedIn's contact syncing features, ensuring you stay connected and streamline your professional interactions. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're on the correct website, as there are a lot of variations out there. Once you're there, you should see the sign-in button prominently displayed. Click this button to proceed. Enter your login credentials carefully. This is crucial for accessing your personalized LinkedIn homepage and settings. After signing in, you'll land on the LinkedIn homepage. This is your central hub for navigating LinkedIn, where you can view your feed and explore various features LinkedIn offers. Next, look towards the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon to access your profile page. This step is important because from your profile, you'll have access to all the options necessary for syncing your contacts. With your profile page open, search for the Settings and Privacy option, which can usually be found near your profile and account settings. This is where all the configurations are managed, providing you with control over your privacy, account settings, and preferences. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, your next step involves locating the Account Preferences section. This area is essentially your command center for aligning LinkedIn settings with your personal and professional needs. Here, you'll tailor LinkedIn's options to better fit your workflow and ensure your account functions exactly as you desire. After opening Account Preferences, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in here is the syncing options. Click on it to reveal the next set of choices. This section specifically deals with how LinkedIn interacts with data from other sources, such as email accounts, to keep your network fresh and updated. Finally, within the syncing options, click on Sync Contacts. This will prompt LinkedIn to display the accounts it can connect with, allowing you to import contacts from your email or other services seamlessly. Follow the prompts to ensure that your contacts are linked correctly. Once you set this up, LinkedIn will begin syncing your contacts, thus expanding your professional network effortlessly. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled LinkedIn's syncing feature, unlocking an even more interconnected professional network. By keeping your contacts synced regularly, you ensure that you're always up to date with your connections, making for stronger professional relationships in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!